got my water here too. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go buy a car, because if this video comes out, we 100% bought a car. It's a freaking rear-wheel drive car. It's pretty rare. They only made 4,000 of them manual in the world, I think it was, or just in the US. I could be wrong. So yeah, they only made 4,000 of them in the US or in the entire world. I could be wrong. I know it's 4,000 the number, but I don't know if it's for the United States or for the whole entire world. I could be wrong. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go look at it. If you see this video, if this video's up, we bought the car 100%. I was gonna buy a MR2. It was kind of clapped. Oh my goodness, bruh. Jesus. I was gonna buy a MR2. It was kind of clapped, but we was gonna fix it up and put a K-swap, but the dude sold it. It was dirt cheap. He wanted, I think it was $2,300 for it. If you guys don't know what that is, it's $2,300. You guys are a little, slow. Yeah, it was a good price, but someone wanted to go look at it and he ended up buying it, so that's out of the question. I'm just waiting for my little cousin to pull up so he can give me a ride. I'm just sitting in my SUV for now, and I'm waiting for my friend as well to leave work early so he can come with us so he can check it out. And yeah, I'll keep you updated after this clip, but I'm not gonna record anything of me buying the actual car because I want to put a camera on the dude's face, So yeah, after this clip, you'll either see me with my new car, or yeah, you'll see me with my new car after this clip, most likely. So yeah. So I'm driving the car right now. I ended up purchasing it. Can you guys tell by the interior what car it is? You can't really see it. I'm driving, so. Oh shit, get the shit in gear. It doesn't run the best. It has like idling issues, so my boy said he could fix it, so I got the whole tune-up kit over here, like everything from spark plugs, the cables for the spark plugs, everything, oil change, all that shit. So yeah, let's see if he can make it run better. He said that is most likely vacuum lines that's I guess rotted out or something. This is a 92. This is a 1992 car, so it makes sense. But when it's cold, it drives pretty good, but it does die whenever it's warmed up. So whenever it's warmed up, you have to like give it like a little bit of gas so it won't die. But yeah, pretty good so far. I'm bringing it to my boys right now as we speak, so he can do the tune-up and figure out why it's idling like this. So yeah, but it's smooth. Let me show you the interior a little bit so you guys can get an idea. I'm pretty sure once I show you the interior, you're gonna know what it is. Manual. I'm not gonna show you what kind of car it is yet, like the brand. So there he goes, manual. You guys probably know just by this right there. But yeah. But let me just stop recording so I could drive safe. And yeah, I'll see you over there, my boys. The outside looks pretty dope. I ain't gonna lie, but you know what? That's enough teasing, you guys. I'm gonna show you the actual car. Don't mind that door. Hold up. I'm gonna show you the actual car. Whoa. Can't show you yet. Let me see what we got here. All right. Looking pretty dope, the car. I ain't gonna lie. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys the car now, but I'm gonna show you with some cinematics. So yeah, check it out.
So hard, make them home shake. She got big titties, make her back ache. I've been in the kitchen cooking pancakes, so I can really tell you what it really takes. Can it up, tell me how it tastes. Put the drizzle on top, tell me how it tastes. Take that, take that.
Honey mustard on my balls, feeling extra sweaty. Babe singles, just from Wendy's. I was in the kitchen eating my spaghetti. Farted on a bitch, now she crying heavy. Hold up, wait, are you bitches ready?
I've been tapping on her ass like it's drumline. Came to the crib cause she dumb fine. Tryna bend over, tryna break her spine. He said that she love me, tryna make her mine. But I ain't got time, I ain't wasting nothing. Niggas tryna talk, I've been rolling something. I said what you want, I ain't got none.
Eat good. Come from the block where we eat good. Gamers cooking in the back too. We been eating good. Damn, I'm a young grinder.
Saw your bitch online, she on Feet Finder.
That's your bitch, she wanna be my meat grinder.
So this is my 1992 SC300. It's a new day. I have to hurry up and record this before the sun goes away. The reason why I say this is rare, well, kind of rare, this car, is because of this right here. I'm gonna show you all the little bad things about it. Number one is right here. That right there. Oof. Jesus Christ. That right there, I have to move this fender over there more or push it in. That. And this is the reason why I say it's rare. Ugh. There you go. That right here. They only made about, I think it was 3,800 factory manual. So yeah, this is pretty rare. But yeah, don't mind the mess. I just got it registered and all that. The interior is not that bad. This I have to fix over here, as you can see. And this one too over here. This one isn't as bad, but yeah, the tachometer doesn't work that good. Well, the cluster, where's it at? Let me turn it on real quick. The tach doesn't work that good. The RPMs only work sometimes when it gets warm, the car, and the freaking miles per hour are way off. But yeah, this is the car. Oh my goodness. Look at the back, garbage. But yeah, the flaws right here, it's not rust. This was like paint and it just came off. So I need to get that repaint. I'm gonna repaint the whole car, but there's not one speck of rust on this car, right? That's the main reason why I bought it. This came from, I think he said Hawaii. Came from Hawaii, and it has like no rust at all. Literally none that I seen. We lifted it up and everything. So but yeah, the door is hitting the fender right here, as you can see. It's already peeling off the paint. Doesn't really matter as long as I just push this in a little bit. Damn, this freaking fender is, as long as I push this in a little bit, it should be fine. But that fender is diesel. Do the walk around real quick, even though you guys seen it with the cinematics. But paint is chipping right here, right there too. Nothing too crazy. This I have to glue it back because it's broken. One of the little latches. That's about it. Got little dings and scratches. Nothing crazy, but like I said, I'm gonna repaint the car. I do need new headlights, but I will just open it and fix them myself. I'm gonna take off the yellow with the sandpaper and like buff them, but the inside there's moisture inside of them. What else? Oh yeah, this right here, I need a new one. These are not that expensive, but yeah, let me pop the hood. Oh, come on. Oy, 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 oy. Let me pop the hood real quick for you boys. Here's the hood. There you go. Jeez Louise. Alright, this is the main reason why I got the car. It has the GT. It has the 2J, I think it's GE. I could be wrong. Yeah, the GE. 2J GE. I seen people go NAT, which is NA turbo, and it holds pretty much good power, but the transmission, the stock one, horrible. Supposedly, the stock transmission could only hold like, what was it, like, I think it was like 350 before it blows up. So yeah, I plan on turboing this car. Not right now because I want to make it run good first. Supposedly the mass airflow sensor is messed up, so I ordered a new one. It does run like straight dog shit, so like I have to always rev it when it's idling because it just wants to die each time. So I ordered that. It should be coming in a couple days. I replaced this sensor, the TPS sensor. Replaced it. We thought it was that. It wasn't that. It does idle a little bit better after we replaced that, but everybody's saying it's this. So this is coming in a couple days. The kid ended up putting a Mishimoto radiator. So yeah, Look at this racer. Hold up. Anyways, so yeah, I want to make this build. I want everybody to take part of the build. So follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right here, and I'll put a poll for everything that I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna put like if I want to paint it yellow, green, purple, and you guys pick whichever you guys want me to paint the most, and whatever gets the most votes, that's what I'll paint it as. Have you seen something so beautiful before?
That Mishimoto look cute.
Yo, alright, so yeah, caliente, baby.
Don't touch it.
Caliente. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a whole bunch of stuff, and you guys are gonna put. I'm gonna put a poll on IG, and whatever you guys vote is what I'm gonna do. If you guys want me to wide body it, I will, but I really don't want to because look at this. Look at this quarter panel. If you guys don't know, in New England, you don't see these quarter panels like this. Okay, you see them like this. Look right where is that? Here we go.
Hey.
You see them like this.
Hey, Rhode Island special, baby.
So yeah, that's the main reason why I don't want to do it. And like I said, this is a pretty rare car because they only came 3,800 manual factory. So
You don't know why?
because they're slow, right?
Nobody wanted it.
Damn. But yeah, that's the reason why I don't want to wide body it. But if you guys say to wide body it, I'll cut the shit out these quarter panels.
How much?
Cut the shit out these quarter panels. What the hell is that?
My car's telling me it's about to blow.
I want this car to be like a community car, I guess, where our community, so you can build it with us. Yeah, I got plans for it. Turbo, lower. I already got coilovers on the way, and a new radio, because that radio is freaking laggy as hell. But yeah, I will slowly turbo it because this costs mad money. The freaking ECU is like, I think it's 1,500 or 2,000 bucks. So yeah. First thing to do though, I'm gonna lower that bad boy. We already got sponsored. Well, we was sponsored already for coilovers and other stuff. So, yo, how you gonna come over here talking when I'm over here making a video? So yeah, I want this to be my drift car. I don't know how to drift. I never owned a rear-wheel drive car ever. This is my first one ever. It is an open diff in the back. I will weld it so I can learn how to slide with this bad boy. People say it's pretty easy to drift these because it's almost identical to the Supra. Supposedly they have interchangeable parts from the Supra, like 88% of it. I could be wrong, but that's what they say. That's what they said though. They said the same shit. Are you done? Anyways, this is the drift build. I do want to change the front bumper because this bumper is kind of ugly. You guys let me know. I got other little things. Don't worry about it. I just trust me. Follow me on IG. I'm gonna put the polls, and I want you guys to be part of the build. You guys tell me what you guys want me to do to it. Paint it wide body, like I said. Coilovers, air suspension, the wheels I can pick, lips, or just a body kit. Yeah. That's about it. Look at that. So walk around. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is in pretty good condition. Body wise, like I said, not one speck of rust. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos on the SC300, I'm gonna make this car look completely different, just letting you know. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know I got that propane.